Hello guys, I'm Mitsuni. Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for fresher jobs, internships or off-campus opportunities, today's video is going to be one of the best videos this week because I came up with three excellent opportunities. The first one is from Salesforce, one of the world's biggest cloud and AI companies. The second one is from AccioJob, where the package goes up to 15 LPA. And finally, if you are searching for remote internships, then I have a full stack developer internship. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I will explain eligibility, skills required, important dates, and who should apply for each opportunity. Let's begin with the first opportunity. The first one is from Salesforce. Now, almost everyone in the software industry has heard about Salesforce. It is one of the world's leading AI CRM companies and serves thousands of businesses globally. The company works on cloud computing, AI, enterprise software, CRM, automation, and much more. If you are looking to start your career in reputed product-based company, this is definitely an opportunity worth applying for. The role is Associate Technical Support Engineer, location is Bangalore, and the experience required is 0 to 2 years. So, freshers as well as candidates with some experience can apply. The work mode is in office and it is flexible, which means you will get flexibility depending on your team and business requirements. Now, let's understand what you will actually do in this role. You will be helping customers resolve technical issues, you will troubleshoot software bugs, configuration issues, and product related problems. Sometimes you will be reproduce issues in testing environments so developers can identify root cause faster. You will also document solutions and collaborate with senior engineers whenever an issue becomes more complex. So this role is not just for customer support, it combines troubleshooting, software understanding, debugging, communication and technical analysis. Now let's talk about the skills. The company expects strong analytical thinking and problem solving abilities. Good communication skills is also important because you will interact with customers and internal engineering teams. If you know Java, Python, C++, JavaScript, HTML and CSS, databases or networking fundamentals, cloud technologies, that will definitely strengthen your profile. Knowledge of AI coding assistants like Copilot, Cursor, Cloud, or Gemini is also considered a plus. Education qualification is simple. BE, BTech, MCA, or equivalent technical qualifications are eligible. The important thing is that last day to apply for this job is 14th July 2026, so don't delay your application. Apart from salary, Salesforce provides mentorship, learning programs, and career development, opportunity to work with AI powered enterprise products. If you are interested in cloud technologies or enterprise software, don't miss this opportunity. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, which is slightly different from regular hiring. The second opening is from AccioJob. This is a software engineering hiring program. Instead of directly hiring candidates from one company, AccioJob provides qualified candidates with a 6-month job pass. Now, what does this actually mean? If you clear their placement readiness assessment, you will receive access to premium software engineering hiring opportunities where competition is comparatively lower than public job posting. This helps candidates skip repetitive online assessments and access exclusive hiring drives. The offered salary ranges between 5 to 15 LPA depending on the hiring company and your performance. The location include Pune, Chennai, and Delhi NCR. Freshers with 0 to 2 years of experience are eligible. The assessment mainly evaluates software engineering fundamentals, so you should prepare Java, Python, SQL, MERN Stack, mainly problem solving and basic computer science concept. If you are currently preparing for software engineering interviews, this opportunity can open doors to multiple companies instead of applying individually everywhere. The biggest advantage is that once you qualify, you can participate in fast tracked hiring opportunities. So, if you are actively searching for software jobs, I would definitely recommend applying. Now, let's move on to the third and final opportunity, that is an internship. The third opportunity is from Klanvision. This is hiring full stack developer internship. The best part is that it's completely remote. The internship duration is 6 months and freshers are completely eligible. The monthly stipend ranges between 15 to 25,000 rupees per month. Now let's see what you will actually do in this role. You will develop applications using Java and related technologies. You will build backend modules and REST APIs. You will debug applications, optimize performance, manage databases, and collaborate with development teams on real software projects. The required skills include Java, Backend Development, REST APIs, database management, debugging, and software development fundamentals. If you know SQL, Git, testing concepts, Java frameworks, or MERN Stack, that's an advantage. Apart from stipend, the company is also offering flexible hours and mainly a pre-placement offer based on performance and a priority hiring process. For education, students pursuing or completing BTech, BE, MCA, BCA, BSc or related degrees can apply. If you are looking to build practical development experience while working remotely, this internship is definitely worth considering. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities. The Salesforce role is perfect if you're targeting product-based companies. AccioJob is a good option for candidates preparing for software engineering placements and looking for multiple hiring opportunities. And Klanvision is an excellent remote internship for students who want hands-on development experience along with monthly good stipend. If you're interested in any of these opportunities, don't wait until the end. Before ending this video, here's something important piece of advice. Many students keep applying because they think they don't meet every single skill set mentioned in the job description. But please don't make that mistake. Company usually lists their ideal candidate, but they know freshers are still learning. And if you cover most of the skill set in the job description, and if you cover most of important of them, then make sure to apply. And do not think they have mentioned 3 to 4 tech stacks. They pick a candidate based on the project requirements for their company because in a company they build softwares for other companies which requires other tech stacks too. So according to your tech stack, they will align a project to you. And also I would like to say is that make your profile highlight by adding a lead code profile, solve DSA problems on lead code, and also optimize your GitHub projects and stay active on LinkedIn. These small improvements make a huge difference during the interviews. If this video helped you discover useful fresher opportunities, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends who are also searching software jobs and internships. And if you want any particular job opportunity update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.